Trading is the only recession-proof, inflation-proof, and layoff-proof skill that you could have. And you don't have to work for anybody. It's really simple. You want to make money in the middle of the night? Not a problem. I'm going to show you just one setup that I use that you can start using today. Check it out using the link down in the description. But before we get started, I need you, because my channel is so tiny, to smash that like and subscribe if you haven't done so. While I did reverse engineer many setups and I created quite a few strategies, we're only looking at one. We have the CCI, the Williams, and a couple moving averages, but our signal is going to be directly from the CCI and from the Williams. Now, I have something I call the spillover, and I also have something that I call CCI up, Williams down, and CCI down, Williams up. We're only looking at spillover and CCI down, Williams up. What you just saw right there was the spillover. It started coming back up, and then it was almost like it was just too damn heavy, and it spilled right over. As you can see, the Williams is actually bent down. Instead of coming up like the CCI, we have the CCI coming down, but we also have the Williams coming down. So you have to be careful, because generally when you have the CCI and the Williams in the same position, that could be indication that it's going to reverse. We should have a reversal here. The CCI is going to slightly up and the Williams is down. And we were able to get all of those. We open up our trade. There you go. And yes, I did have some losses prior to that. This should be coming up as well, very simply because the Williams was down and the CCI was up. If we open up our trades, there we go. We had 2 losses and like 20 back-to-back wins. So the premise of this is simple. When you are in a downtrend or down below and the CCI is up and the Williams is down, we're going to have a reversal. So it's going to go up. When the CCI is down and the Williams is up, that means that we're going to continue to go down. When we have it where both of them just spill over, that's going to go down like you're seeing right now. You can see how it's pulling down. Look at the CCI and look at the Williams. They are both pointed down, okay? So that is what you want to look for. This is the only recession-proof, layoff-proof skill that you can have, and it's very simple to learn. And if you do want to learn, very simply head down into the description to access this course for free, where you're going to learn couple of my strategies as well as the foundation. And if you do want to get that specific strategy, which is 2 masterclasses, you have until Saturday. You can get the mentorship or you can just get the strategy, and the math is simple. You can either go trade time for money or you can make money. The choice is yours, but make sure you smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you in the next video.